What does success mean to you? Is it wealth, fame, or perhaps the accomplishment of a long-held dream? Success, after all, is a highly subjective concept with different interpretations for each individual. Today, we delve into the key ingredients for success. While there's no definitive recipe, these principles and habits can help steer you towards your goals and lead a fulfilling life. Firstly, it's crucial to define your goals. Success begins with knowing what you want to achieve. Set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This provides direction and allows you to measure your progress. Secondly, be self-aware. Know your strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions. This self-awareness can guide your decisions and help you align your actions with your true self. Next, embrace the values of hard work and discipline. Success demands sustained effort. Stay focused on your goals and don't shy away from challenges. Fourth, commit to continuous learning. Be open to gaining new knowledge and skills. This adaptability can help you navigate the ever-changing landscapes of life. Fifth, cultivate resilience. The path to success often includes setbacks and failures. Your ability to bounce back from these challenges is a testament to your strength. Perseverance, our sixth point, is vital. Keep pushing forward, even when the journey becomes arduous. Seventh, understand the power of networking. Building strong relationships can open doors and provide necessary support. Eighth, master time management. Prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination to maximize productivity. Ninth, be adaptable. The ability to adjust your plans when circumstances change is a key attribute of successful individuals. 10th, become financially literate. Understand basic financial principles and manage your money wisely. This is especially important for achieving financial success. 11th, foster confidence and self-belief. Trust in your abilities and decisions. This confidence can help you take risks and overcome self-doubt. 12th, have a vision and a plan. Create a clear vision for your life or career, then develop a strategic plan to make that vision a reality. 13th, prioritize your health and well-being. A healthy body and mind are essential for sustained success. 14th, uphold integrity and ethics. Act with integrity in all your endeavors. A good reputation is a valuable asset. And finally, be persistent. Success often requires time and patience. Keep moving forward, even when progress seems slow. In conclusion, remember that success is highly personal. What is successful to one person may differ for another. So, define what success means to you and work towards your own aspirations and goals. These key ingredients for success can guide you on your journey, but remember, it's your journey to navigate.